My name is Dustin Kral. I'm the head brewer at Firestone Walker Brewing Company. We're out here in Yakima, Washington, celebrating the 2024 hop harvest.
Hops are only grown for one thing, and that's beer. And they all mature within about a 6-week window.
We're out here with a bunch of other brewers essentially competing for the best hops. So we want to make sure that we're there the minute that they get brought into the facility, that we have an opportunity to smell them. And if we love them, then we want to secure them for ourselves as quickly as we can.
The amount of unique varieties and aromas that are coming out are incredible, from vanilla to rose to coconut.
It's critical to be on the ground, sniffing and smelling hops so that we can make sure we get allocated the hops that are best for us. The aroma is where the defining moment is, and how does that hop smell? You know, everything has its identity, so we want to just find the one that has the best personality to that identity. This is where most of the North American hops are grown, is in the small little town. Everybody in the community is familiar with hops. They all work together very well.
Almost every farm in this valley is a multiple of 2 to 4 generations or longer.
We like working with the Hollingberys because they're a family-owned and operated business, just like Firestone Walker is a family-owned and operated business.
Working at Firestone Walker is probably the highlight of my experience.
Our relationship with Hollingbery and Son is a great relationship. They're like family to us. Back in the day, we were one of the first breweries to buy directly from them. We've
been active in the hop industry as a broker, working with dealers and growers. In 2006 or 2007, Firestone Walker reached out to my dad looking for hops, and that was the first time we sold hops directly to a brewery.
Extraordinarily great people that we enjoy working with.
Everybody wants to see this work into the future. I don't know a single farmer that doesn't care about the sustainability of his yards, of his crops. So we work with growers that have built time into their schedules, that can make things happen and care. They understand who their customers are. They understand that ultimately the people that are using these hops are the breweries, and they want to see them succeed, because their success is our success.
But this year, all the hops that we've smelled have been really good. We've been super pleased with the quality that we've seen. And yeah, we're excited to get back home and make some really good beers with these hops.